Yes, be ready. Start. The purposes of all businesses is to make a profit. Stop. The profit comes from the difference between the cost price and the selling price of the article which are sold, or in the case of businesses which provided services, it comes from the difference between the cost of providing the service and the price which the customer pays for it. Stop. The whole business of buying and selling an article is known as a transaction. Stop. During the course of transaction, a great deal of information has to pass between the buyer and seller. Stop. First of all, an inquiry is sent by the person wishing to make the purchase. Stop. This will state the goods required and the quantity that is needed, and it will probably give a delivery day oblique date. Stop. In reply to an inquiry, a quotation is sent. Stop. This states the goods available, the prices, and the delivery date. Stop. A catalogue of price list is often sent with the quotation. Stop. When the quotation has been received, the purchaser has to decide which firm is to have the order. Stop. He will have to consider the quality, price, and the delivery date that is offered. Stop. The order will then be sent to the firm that has been chosen and will state the goods required and the quoted price. Stop. The purchaser will keep a copy of the order so that he knows what he ordered. Stop. When the firm has received the order, it is usual for copies of it to be given to the different departments which are concerned with it. Stop. A dispatch note will be sent to the packing department, and sometimes it is then sent to the purchaser so that he knows that the goods are on their way. Stop. The top copy of the set is known as the invoice. Stop. This lists the goods purchased, that tells the purchaser how much he owes them. Stop. When the goods have been received, the purchaser will check them against the invoice to make sure that the quantity and quality are what he had actually ordered. Stop. A record is kept of all the invoices which are sent to each customer. Stop. At the end of each month, or say each quarter, a copy of the amounts exchanged is made on a statement form, normally known as statement of account, which tells the purchaser the total sum which he owes for the period. Stop. This statement also shows the money remitted by the purchaser in the form of advance or any other credit. Stop. When the amount is received in any transaction, it is acknowledged by sending a specially worded receipt which indicates all details concerning the amount so received. Stop. The receipts made for cash received bear the signature of the receiving firm on a revenue stamp of the requisite value. Stop. This is required under the law. Stop. Sometimes the payment for materials dispatched is collected through banks. Stop. In such cases, the supplier dispatches the material and the documents covering the dispatch is submitted to the bank. Stop. The bank then forwarded the documents to its branch in the city to which the material is dispatched for collection of payments. Stop.